In the year 1980, a 62-year-old man who had been blind and partially deaf for 9 years due to a truck accident experienced something truly unbelievable. While calling his pet chicken, he was suddenly struck by lightning. Moments later, he realized he could see and hear without even needing his hearing aid. Stunned, he struggled to process what had just happened. Feeling dazed, he decided to rest, not fully grasping the miracle that had just occurred. But when he woke up, everything was different. Sitting on his couch, he noticed a plaque on the wall. Something he had never been able to see before. Shocked and overjoyed, he finally understood. The lightning strike had completely restored his vision and hearing.